Welcome back, dear students. In previous video, we discussed the introduction of the chapter number 20, Social Problems of India and Challenges. Also, we discussed about the meaning of communalism. Today, we'll discuss the struggle against communalism. Dear students, communalism is a hindrance to the progress of individual society and nation. The first step in this direction was taken by the constitution makers themselves. They declared India as a secular state and provided the right to freedom of religion to the citizens of India. Besides these, the following steps should be taken to eradicate communalism. First is government actions. The government should take punitive and proper action against those who indulge and involved in communal activities. Next, education. Education play a vital and big role in promoting communal harmony. The prayers of all religions should be sung at the school assembly. Religious festivals of all the religions be celebrated so that at a very young age children develop respect for other religions. Next is action against communal parties. Government should take proper action against those parties that believe in communal ideology. Next, non-recognition to communal parties. The Election Commission should not recognize communal parties. A strict code of conduct should be enforced to check and to avoid communal propaganda. Next, use of media. Message of secularism and religious tolerance should be spread across the country through radio, television, and cinema. Special attention should be paid to those programs that promote nationalism and national integration. Next, cooperation between religious and political leaders. The leaders of political parties, along with the heads and the leaders of the various sects and religions, should work to combat communalism so that society can ignore the communalism. Next is participation of youth. Youth must come forward to remove communalism because youth are the foundation and future of any country. At the social and educational level, it should be tried that youth develops secular and scientific attitude so that communalism can be avoided. Next is awareness of society. People should be made to realize that national interest is above religion. For this purpose, not only government but society should also try their level best. Next, importance of national integrity. Understanding the fact that national interest, national pride are above all religion, caste, state or language. Ties the people in one thread and nurtures nationalism and national integrity. So every Indian should strive for national integration and nurture nationalism so that we can fight against communalism. Dear students, just go through the video and revise the topic. In next video, we will discuss about casteism and constitutional provisions for protection of interest of the minorities, weak and backward classes. Thank you.